How to get the Calendar app back on iPhone. If you've deleted or removed the built-in Calendar app on your iPhone, don't worry. It's easy to get Calendar back with a quick download on the App Store. Here's how. Like all of Apple's built-in iOS apps, the Calendar app is available for a free re-download on the App Store. So first, let's open the App Store. With the App Store open, tap the search button from the bottom. At the top of the screen, type Calendar, then tap Search. In the search results, you might see some apps that aren't the official app you're looking for. To make sure it's the real thing, tap on the icon or name listing for the Calendar app. Next, you'll see the Calendar App Store page. Look at the row of facts just below the download button, and you'll see the developer, Apple, in the list. That means it's the real thing. To download the Calendar app, click the iCloud download button. The app will download to your device, and depending on your settings, you will either find it on your home screen or in your app library. If you need to restore any other built-in iPhone apps, you can get them the same way as shown above. But best of all, you'll always know what day it is thanks to Calendar being back in its proper place. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.